Hi guys, welcome to math. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. Here, 5 divided by 5, then times 5. So let's find its answer. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have 2 divisions and 1 multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first this division, then this division, and finally this multiplication. Okay, 5 divided by 5 gives us 1. So we have 1 divided by 5, then times 5. As we know KCF rule, in which we keep the first, change the sign, flip the second fraction. Okay, so it will transform into 1, change the sign from division to multiplication, and change this 5 into 1 over 5. Then times 5. Friends, now this 5 and this 5 will cancel out each other, which gives us just 1. Now 1 times 1 is also 1. Done. So our final answer to this problem is only 1. Friends, thanks for your precious time, and I hope you understand this problem. If you want to stay connected, then like and subscribe my channel for more updates. Also share it with your siblings and friends.